Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Novelia M. Andini with NPM 2241217 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will discuss about Introduction to Behavioral Accounting. Behavioral accounting is a branch of accounting that studies the relationship between human behavior and accounting system. In practice, accounting does not only deal with numbers, financial statements, and quantitative information. However, accounting is also greatly influenced by how humans think, behave, and make decisions. This is the starting point of behavioral accounting. Basically, the accounting system cannot be separated from humans as its users. Humans play the role of composing accounting information as well as being the parties who will use it in the decision-making process. Therefore, understanding the behavioral of individuals and groups within the organizational environment becomes very important so that the accounting system can operate effectively. Behavioral accounting emerged as a response to the limitation of conventional approaches in explaining accounting phenomena comprehensively. All this time, the traditional approach has been to focus on technical and quantitative aspects as if accounting information were objective and value-free. In reality, the preparation and utilization of accounting information are greatly influenced by perception, motivation, personal interest, organizational culture, and even social pressure. A simple example of the influence of behavior in accounting can be seen in how managers prepare budgets. In theory, budgets are prepared rationally to achieve organizational efficiency and effectiveness. However, in reality, there is often budgetary-like behavior where managers intentionally overestimate costs or underestimate revenues so that budget targets are easier to achieve. This phenomenon cannot be explained technically but must be understood through behavioral approaches. In addition, behavioral accounting also discusses how incentive system, organizational structure, and leadership style influence employee behavior. For example, performance-based incentive can increase work motivation, but if not designed properly, they can actually encourage manipulative behavior towards financial reports. Therefore, the role of behavioral accounting is to bridge the accounting system with the psychological and sociological aspect inherent in humans. In the context of decision-making behavioral accounting also highlights how individuals process information. Not everyone is able to understand financial statements in the same way. There are factors such as cognitive limitation, information bias, and emotional influence that can affect the quality of decision making. Therefore, it's important for an accountant to be able to present information that is not only technically accurate but also communicative and easy for information users to understand. In conclusion, behavioral accounting is an approach that combines accounting as an information system with the science of human behavior. The goal is to enhance the effectiveness of the accounting system through an understanding of how humans interact with the provided information. By understanding the behavioral dimension in accounting, we can design systems that are not only efficient but also humans, fair, and capable of promoting positive behavior within organization. So that's the explain about Introduction to Behavioral Accounting. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.